Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo. We're taxiing from the north hangar to the runway 16 run-up area. We'll do our run-up in our pre-flight check, Slammer. Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo. We're upwind 16, Slammer. Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo, turning left crosswind 16, Slammer. Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo, turning left downwind 16, Slammer.
Altitude 5,400. Odessa Schliemeyer Field Airport, Odessa, Texas. Automated weather observation 2346 Zulu. Wind 180 at 09er.
Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo, turning left base 16, Slammer. Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo. We're turning final 16. We're going to make this landing with a full stop, Slammer. Slammer traffic, Cessna 150 Delta Bravo. We're down and clear 16. We'll be on taxiway Golf to the north hangar, Slammer.
Altitude 5,400. Odessa Schliemeyer Field Airport, Odessa, Texas. Automated weather observation 2346 Zulu. Wind 180 at 09er.